So this is a cardboard box with a hole in the front and a magnifying glass taped onto it. There's there's a smaller magnifying glass in the magnifying glass, and that's what's overlapping with the hole. And if we look inside, we can see there's these walls here and this thing. Now, if I grab this roll of paper that isn't toilet paper, and I sit it in there, and hope it doesn't unroll again, and then we can pull it out of it to go across the hole and see a projected image. Just how now, just how good of an image is it that's being projected? Well, not that bad. And so the next thing I need to do is figure out something to pull the film off the reel with and make sure it lines up with the frame properly each time, and also add photoreactive stuff onto the film, and then it might actually be able to take a picture with it.